What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a screener that helped me find Digital Turbine, ticker symbol APPS, when it was $1.20 before it ran to $100. Yes, I did find that, and that did happen. The stock was rising beautifully. COVID hit, stock dropped significantly, then ran from about $4 to 100. Last week, well, now it's 2 weeks ago, the stock went from about $2 to $5. And I thought, why not look at potential gems, that apps that grew, that blossomed from apps. So we have all these different scanners here. And the one we want is Digital Goldmine Apps, ticker symbol APPS. So what this is going to help us do is find potential companies like Digital Turbine before it had its several thousand% move. So you guys can see all the different metrics here. Float is 100 million or less, or it's under 100 million. Essentially, it's going to be something that could be very volatile. Quick ratio, there's some leverage, but is over 0.5. Long-term debt is under 1. Debt to equity is under 1. Earnings per share growth is up over 30% next year. Sales growth is positive over 5%. Gross margins 35%, and average volume over 300,000. So if it's illiquid and you're trying to get out, if it has $300,000 shares traded in a day, it's not going to be too illiquid if you wanted to get out with a slight gain or a slight loss to protect yourself. So we do have 57 total stocks. What we're going to do is we're going to go to custom here in just a moment, and we're going to look at some of the most that are beat up, because we don't want to look at the ones that have already ran. You'll see what I'm talking about here. So the performance year to date, look, some stocks are already up over 40, 100%. These are the ones we want to look at, but let's look at the ones that are up over 100% already. There's only one. ACCD up over 100%, NARI 56%, ITCI 52%, SEMR 51%, 45% for DNA. Is that Duolingo? Duolingo's up 21% year to date. Absolutely incredible. We're going to look at the beat up ones, just a few of them, to find and see if we can find an apex of area of opportunity. WGS, don't know what that is, but we're going to look at it. XMTR, I actually just reviewed XMTR. Honest Company, man, that one, I just reviewed that one recently as well. We'll look at this penny stock, AADI Bio. Argentinian company, we'll look at that one. Medical devices, okay, we've got 4 already. Not that one. 1, 2. We got 3 already. Let's look at this one, and then I looked at Braze recently. FreshPet. Let's look at FreshPet. I don't think I've looked at FreshPet ever. So that'll be cool. So let's look at the first one, ticker symbol WGS. Again, what we want to see here is I want my jaw to drop. I want to see absolutely incredible numbers. I want to see a beautiful chart on the long term. And let's just load this in the background, WGS. And let's load it here. Hasn't been around. Stock used to be $896. Then they did a reverse split because they got pummeled. Wow. So I think we've got, wow. We've got something. We've really got something. I mean, it was $1 stock. Now it's at 59. It's coming down really hard. It's coming down really hard. This stock went from $1. Come on, don't tell me we went from $1.16 in November of 23 to $98. Wow. This scanner, this one just goes to show you, holy cow. Cacao. Holy cacao. Sales are growing. Let's look at the EPS. We want to be better than -7. We are -3. We're seeing a positive turnaround in the EPS and the sales. Shares outstanding are increasing. We don't really like that, but very low float stock. Are insiders, they're selling, but are they buying as well? Nope, just selling. Okay. Very, very interesting. $1 billion market cap. Very, very expensive. Um, very little debt. Man, this one just went from $1 to 100. We have to discontinue this one. We just have to. As much as I want to buy in, it went from $1 to 59. Imagine buying in apps when it was $1, or imagine missing apps when it was $1 and it ran all the way to 59. This definitely needs to trend lower, and we've got a very, 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 very bearish candle here. Institutions, old data showed they own 69%. New data shows that they own. Let's move over here. I'm gonna say, yeah, it's high, but it's coming down. Goldman Sachs bought, oh my God, literally this week. They bought this week. I'm recording this on February 7th. Opco, I forgot about Opco. They sold a little bit. CMLS purchased a little more. They are crazy. I mean, but again, there's only 27 million shares. I think we just got to run this. Let's just run this back. Let's just run it. We're just going to run it. We're going to bite the bullet here. Income is -83,500,000. We are going to include market cap because it is over 1 billion. Although I don't want to. 1,640,000,000. By the time this video comes out, it'll probably be like 1,300,000,000. Sales are 267,230,000. All right, cash and debt. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Pretty healthy. It's going to be pretty healthy. 130 mil. That's pretty good. 130 million. Oh, wait, sorry. 116,460,000. Debt is 112,400,000. All right. Total assets 408. Total liabilities 204. Assets dwarf liabilities 2 to 1 exactly, pretty much. So congrats to them. Again, if companies are undervalued, you'll see insider buying. If they're overvalued, you see insider selling. So more of a reason to stay on the side right now. Shares saying 27,430,000. This is a potential $70 stock. Analysts have it at $88. What? I'm gonna have to eat my own words. I guess this is they're heading in the right direction. Really, they are. They're really they're doing well. They are growing substantially. Wow. All right, they really, really, really did surprise me here. Again, it is very hot. Went from $1 to 100. I will let you decide on what you want to do there. I am not even gonna entertain this anymore. Very bearish candle here. I would say let it play out. Again, it is also undervalued at the moment. So very tough position to be in. If a stock went from 1 to 100, I gotta let it chill and consolidate. You could see it consolidated here. It tried to hold the line at 76 and it has broken down. So now once it breaks down and finds a base, maybe at like 46 or 31, let it sit there for a few months to see what it's going to do. So Very interesting stock. I ate my words on that one. That was actually very undervalued. Good for them. Good for them. All right, now we have a stock that's under $5. Maybe it'll run to 100 like we just saw. I'm seeing a good sign here. Good, good long-term strength move. Now it's consolidating. Momentum is to the upside. Money flow is spiking. All right, they're growing. Sales 2023, 24 mil. Trailing 12 months 2025. EPS negative 2.44. Now it's negative 2.29. So they are improving. They are improving. This is a possible crazy. Look at this. This is just insane. Let's load it. All right. That's that's insane. This is just so crazy. Last time it ran from $7 to 49. Do they need cash? Let's we'll find out. They're losing 61 million, but they're making 25. The only reason I'm not ruling this out as a red or beige flag is because the stock is in they're compliant and the stock is at a reasonable price. It used to be 100, now it's 2. Digital Turbine apps used to be 100, now it's 4. It was as low as like 2 recently. So not out of the ordinary at the moment. But let's run the numbers. We're not going to include the market cap because it is not over 1 billion. Come on. All right. So income is negative 61,690,000. Sales, we're going on down. Oh no, wait, sorry. Sales are right here. What am I doing? 25,070,000. Okay. So sales are growing, EPS is reversing. That's all good and dandy. Quarterly cash has got to be more than 40 mil. Be like 200 mil, please. Come on, show it. Show your cash. Show your cash. 62 mil. Oof. 62 mil, 620,000. Debt. Barely nothing. 620,000. All right. This is going to be not as exciting as I was hoping. So this stock should be trading at 24 million. Potential stock price of $1.03. 52-week low was $1.21. Now it's at 277. Again, it's all momentum, so we're gonna see crazy stuff happen. Institutions own 57%. That is old data. New data shows that they actually own 52%. So there's a drop off in institutional ownership. So this is a pass by all means. Institutions are not loading and they're not profitable. And the stock price true value is about 100% over inflated. So this is going to be an easy pass. If it goes to 100, it'll do what it's got to do, but I won't be too bummed. All right, oil and gas. We missed this one at $5, everybody. Bummer. Man. I need to review this screener more because geez Louise. Wow. Okay, so all right. Sales is going down. EPS was 0.53 in 2023. It's 1.1 now. So EPS is going up, sales are coming down. This is trailing 12-month data. So if they can have a beat of 500, 600, 700 million, they're going to need it. Gross margins, absolutely killer. Very little debt, good quick ratio. This one just looks like it's, you guys can't see the candle, can you? Nope. just definitely looks like it's coming down for a breather. Um, definitely cup and handle for sure. 22 as the left side, 30 is the right side. 30 plus 22 is 52, divided by 2 is 26. So take 26 minus 3, 26 minus 4 is 22. 22 plus 26 is going to be $48. This is a potential $48 stock if this cup and handle goes through. I think it might. It's a beautiful setup, honestly. Is there a cup and handle within a cup and handle? Oh, baby, tell me. Oh, there's not. Okay, I was gonna say if there was a huge left cup over here, I was about to freak out. So this one's gonna take a breather. We're gonna set an alert here for 22. Stock price comes under $23. We're gonna be watching this. TGS price below 23. Oops. All right. I don't see this one. Um, we're gonna run the numbers. We're gonna run the numbers here. It's the pattern and the momentum here is just gonna carry it. 1,840,000,000. Income, they're profitable, 165,770,000, and sales of 1,020,000,000. All right. Cash and debt. All right, cash, they have, I need to go to quarterly. They have, come on, drink your water. Six, what? Whoa. Long-term debt, 487 million. I am shocked. Okay, total assets 3 bill, total liabilities 1 bill. Assets dwarf liability is about more than 2.5 to 1. It's beautiful. Insider buying. We gotta look. We'll check. We'll check. It might show up here. Okay. The foreign stocks like Canada, China, Argentina. This is Argentina, right? Yeah, that kind of data is listed in the 10Qs usually, or you have to look for it on other sites. So, let's continue back. Potential stock price. They have 69,510,000 shares. Come on, baby. Potential stock price of $46. I said 48 for the cup and handle, so this is on point. This is definitely gonna be I'm glad I got the alert. I think this is gonna be absolutely beautiful. All right. Institutions own 7.7%. That is old data. New data shows that they actually own, and now I gotta do by hand. All right, we're gonna do this by hand because we do want to see. Wherever my calculator is, it's on another page. Okay. Come on, baby. 6,413,778. Okay. We're going to take that and divide it by 69,510,000. What happened? Okay. Times 100. 9.22%. So institutions have been adding here. All right, this is something I would definitely get into and ride for sure. All right, 23 to 48, I would do that. All right, now we're looking at ALKT. Let's just get it rolling. ALKT. Hopefully it's a good one. Cheers. Software company. It is still loading. Apologies on that. We're going to throw on some glasses to protect our eyes. Oh, these need to be cleaned. We're going to bust out some other glasses that will protect our eyes. These need to be cleaned as well, but much less dirty than the other pair. I can't talk. All right. We're looking at the bigger picture here. First, diving on down. I should just look at the financial. Ooh. Okay. There is a powerful message I need to tell everyone here. Left side of the cup, right side of the cup. Cup goes up high. Left side of the cup, new right side of the cup. This is going to be a please be profitable. Oh, okay. Oh, this is going to be a this we found a gem, I think, everybody. Year to date, it's down 4%. I think we found a freaking gem. OMG. Negative 0.67 for EPS. Please reverse. Please be reversing. Yes, negative 0.47. All right. You guys, this is going the right way. This is going the right way. This, however, is not going the right way, but it's not a huge increase. Wow. Oh my gosh. Institutions own 47%. That's old data. Let's just find out now. 47% is old data. Please be like 70%. 74%. Damn. I think we found our diamond in the rough. Wow. S3 Ventures just added 11 million shares yesterday. I'm filming on the 7th, by the way. What? ARG Private added 10 million shares? What? What? This is insane. Oh my goodness. This is a buy. Wow. I'm not even going to speculate on what I like and dislike. We're just going to let data talk because 3,540,000,000. That is insane. Negative 45,910,000. Did I do billion there? I did billion there, not billion. 1, 2, 3. Negative 45 million. Yes. Sales 315,560,000. Wow, I think we found something. Wow, and they have no debt, it looks like, pretty much. We're going to find out. Cash $100 million. 100,990,000. Debt 17,390,000. Oh my gosh. Total assets 422 million, total liabilities 83 million. There's got to be some insider buying here. No buying. All right. They're lost in my opinion. Share or options, that's fine. Where's the CEO? CEO right here. Alex, shoot, man. Sold $1.4 million. Did he get any options? It's a lot of selling by everybody. Stephen Bohannon. I'm not really seeing any red flags here. I'm just seeing dollar signs on this one. Honestly, I am just kind of in shock. Shares the same divided by 100 million, 500,000. $38 stock trading at 35, potential $45 stock. What we may see is again upside here, growth, reversal, natural accumulation here. Insider institutions are adding a lot. 47% was old data. What was it? 75? 74% new data. That is over 25%. This is just I'm kind of speechless. I'm kind of speechless. This might get down to 30, but I gotta I've gotta put this one on my list for immediate action. Wow. Wow. I need a sticky note, somebody. Somebody. ALKT. Wow. Jeez Louise. It used to be $9 and it went to 42, but we're not going to remember that. We're not going to think about that. All right, so that's a banger for sure. We're about 25 minutes in. I promise this is the last one. FreshPet. Interesting. FRPT. Interesting. I don't think I've ever looked at this one. I'm just going to blow it up on here really quick. FRPT. I have. Okay, I've tried this one before. Extend to the right. Oof. Okay. Whoops. Since we're on that, let's just go here. Beautiful. All right, good for them. I mean, this is just fantastic. Went from $36 to 147. Pretty crazy. Was it warranted? Probably. Maybe. We're gonna find out. FreshPet. I don't know who they are, but I've looked at them before. I don't think I've ever done a video on them, but I think I may have reviewed them like in my free time a long time ago. Man, oh my, they used to be adult. They used to be $5. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. 766 million in 2023, trailing 12 months 927 million. This is we gotta check the date on this one because this is just absolutely beautiful. We do got a cup and handle, I believe, too. Let's just double check. It's going there. If it can break 186, go to like 200, that would be phenomenal. Let's see if our calculation gets us over 200. 7,140,000,000, good for them. They're profitable, 44 million, 90,000. Sales 927 million, 890,000. Good for them. Cash, ooh, I got some cash and some low debt. EPS was negative 0.7. Please be better. EPS, it's still loading. Positive. Oh, wow. This company is having a huge year. Wow. Good for them. Oh, okay. Back to this. 274 million, 590,000 cash. Debt, 421 million, 10,000. Total assets 1.5 bill, total liabilities 5 bill. So assets worth liabilities 3 to 1. Good for them. That is like a golf clap. That is beautiful. Some selling. Looks like offsetting options. So no real red flags at all. I mean, this is a gem. This is a gem. This is a gem. This is a beauty. This should be part of the S&P 500. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. 48,540,000. Okay. $164 stock trading at 147. Analysts have it at 173. I mean, this is just monster. Very expensive on the price to earnings front, but I mean, this thing is a leader. This is a monster. This is just like where's this candle even coming from? I don't know. All right, let's look at a potential price target here. Okay, we see a rounding off right here. The stock's tried to break 159 4 times and it failed. So let's just not do that. We're going to look for next support and resistance. Beautiful. Right, right there. Beautiful. Okay, next area to watch is 133. Okay. Yep, we're going there. Okay. Look at this little triangle right here. This is going to be the area to watch for sure. Watch this very, very close. My goodness. We've got a cup and handle here too. Left side of the cup, right side of the cup. So yeah, bring it down to 134. Let's find another area of support here. In the event we get like a black swan or like a huge, huge overreaction from Wall Street. Okay. 113 is gonna be a beautiful base. 137, but that's above where we already think it's gonna go. So this is a real great company. Good for them. I'm glad they're doing well. Um, pet, pet companies like FreshPet, Wag, Rover, PetSmart, all PetMed Express, man, they're benefiting the pets, so good for them. Um, yeah, really like this stock. It's very, very expensive, but oh, let's look at the ownership. 109% ownership is old data, new data like 120, 136. Insane. Insane. In freaking look at all these big boys and girls that own this. Holy cow. This company is the bee's knees. Wow. Let this come down. Let this come down. Let this come down naturally. Let this have a resting period. Let this consolidate for a few months. This is a beauty of a stock. I wish I would have got in this years ago, but I guess 2 years ago. But good for them. They're down. They're not even up this year, so give them a few months. They can reverse pretty quickly. But yeah, let's actually. I just noticed something. Oh, yep. I was gonna go from the cycle high to the cycle low, which I did. The stock's already outside of it, so I think if there was a black swan, this would probably test 90 level for 2025. It might do a low of like 42 and then recover, or a low of like 55. It really just depends on what's going on, but man, this is a beauty. So, this is a killer screener. If you want to make your own, if you want to copy this and save it on FinViz, it's free. Just come back and check it every week. Make notes on these stocks. Yeah. Anyway, I appreciate you for watching. If you made this far, you are the 1%, the greatness. So yeah, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.